Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Charlie. He lived in a small house with his family. They didn't have much money, but they were very happy. One day, Charlie heard exciting news. Willy Wonka, the famous chocolate maker, was giving away 5 golden tickets hidden in his chocolate bars. The winners would visit his magical factory. Charlie dreamed of finding a golden ticket. He looked and looked, but he didn't find one. Then, one day, he found a shiny coin in the street. With the coin, Charlie bought 1 chocolate bar. He opened it slowly. Could it be? Yes, there was a golden ticket inside. Charlie was so happy. He rushed home to show his family. They cheered and hugged him tight. "You're going to the factory," they said. On the big day, Charlie joined the other ticket winners, Augustus, Veruca, Violet, and Mike. They were all excited and a little nervous. Willy Wonka opened the factory doors. "Welcome," he said with a big smile. Inside, everything was colourful and sweet. They saw chocolate rivers, candy trees, and even a room full of gum. Each child was amazed, but some got into trouble with the treats. Charlie was careful and kind. He shared his candy and listened to Willy Wonka's stories. At the end of the day, Willy Wonka had a surprise. "Charlie, you are the kindest of them all. You win the factory." Charlie couldn't believe it. He would take care of the chocolate factory and share the magic with his family. And so, Charlie and his family lived happily ever after, surrounded by chocolate and love. The end.